Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Kawasaki KX250. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2019 KX250 runs well. It's been upgraded with a seat cover, Renthar handlebars, Pro Taper rear sprocket, an aftermarket kickstand, plastics kit, swing arm graphics, and grips. Powered by a 249cc single-cylinder engine, the KX250 puts 35 horsepower and 19 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 1.7-gallon fuel capacity, the KX250 has a 35 to 50-mile range. It has a 37.2-inch seat height and a 230-pound wet weight. We measured both of these tires' tread depths at 12/30 seconds and took this bike for a test ride. Our technician noted that this bike runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the exhaust, a scratch on the rear wheel, a scratch on the number plate, and a scratch on the upper fairing. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.